Guitar players, welcome. You're looking at the screen. Doesn't look like a jam track or a guitar lesson, but I assure you, you're in the right place. What you hear in the background is a song that we're going to rock out to in a moment. Hard rock jam aimed at advanced beginner to intermediate students, though anyone's welcome to jump in. And the key rhythm that we're going to emphasize throughout the session is the dotted half note. What is it? Middle of the screen. Anything you play rings out for 3 beats. And we're gonna have the tutorial section in a moment. And that's where we get to practice each section. The tabs will pop up on the screen. There'll be a jam track. I recommend hitting pause, looking at the tabs, unpause, play along, get a little comfortable with that, and then we'll get to the main event and unleash you on the entire song. Now keep an eye on the repeat section on the left side of the screen. That will also let you know how many times a section is going to repeat before the next section happens. And it's pretty straightforward. We've got a section A, a section B, and then the bridge is going to mean 3/4 time to get you a little exposure to odd time signatures, a little progressive rock thing happening. So that's basically it. If you want to jam your own solos, make up your own rhythms, I highly encourage this creativity. But if you're in that headspace where you just want to be told what to do in a situation like this, then I got you covered. It's all on screen. So let's go to the tutorial section. Good luck. If you can play those sections cleanly, you are ready for the main event. Keep an eye on the repeat markers. They'll tell you what section's coming up. Let's rock.